Today we are going to do some really fun hand sewing projects. We're going to sew some really cute pin cushions, and my idea is based off of this pin cushion right here. As you can see, it is a shoe with a pin cushion middle. And I think that is absolutely adorable, so we are going to turn these three items into pin cushions. We're going to take this cup and saucer and make such a cute little pin cushion. We're going to attach the cup to the saucer, and then we're going to do a bunch of other things that I'm not going to tell you about right now. And then you can go ahead and use the teacup for your pins and the saucer for your safety pins. So let's go ahead and get started with this one first. The cup and saucer. Now this is actually, to me, it's going to be the funnest one, but they're all going to be absolutely amazing when we are done. And the next thing we need to do is glue this together, because we don't want these coming apart, we just want it glued together. So I'm going to take and use some E6000 to actually glue it together, and a little bit of hot glue just to keep it together while the E6000 is drying. That's my little cheat of the day. And let's do it. Let's glue some stuff. First we are going to take our E6000 and we are going to just glump that stuff on. Clump it and get it all over the inside here. Good thing I'm using the hot glue, because I am using so much of this that it's probably never going to dry. Don't do what I just did, do something else. Okay, now place it down. Okay, so let's set this aside. Now, the fabric that I got to use as the top pin cushion part is right here, and I'm just going to kind of draw out a really large circle here. Something to give me a little bit of a guide. When I hand sew, I actually bring both pieces through, so at the end I have two pieces of string right here, and then I tied those pieces in a knot. Okay, and then what we're going to do is go over, under, all the way around the outside until we can gather it into a circle. They don't have to be super tiny stitches, they can be decent sized, because all we're trying to do is just pull this into a circle. So we have ourselves a little hat here that we're going to pull together to make top. So I'm going to take and grab some stuffing. The more you get in there, the more you want to kind of pull it tight, and then look at how it looks in comparison to the cup. It's kind of big still. I want this to be pretty hard, like not hard, but I just want it to be very firmly packed in there. Pulling this string really tight, and that's another reason that I did two strings, is I wanted to be able to pull it nice and tight without the string breaking. That is so cute! Oh my gosh, that's so cute! Put some hot glue on our actual piece here. I have, whoa, shoot, now they're all over the place. And we're going to glue these little flowers all around the cup. And they came in different colors. Okay, so I'm just going to glue these the rest of the way around here, and I will be right back. Now that we have all of our flowers all the way around our teacup, we are going to add a little something to the base. It's going to be just this black piece of satin twisted rope. Okay, so I am just going to go ahead and finish gluing this around, and I will glue some flowers on it and show you the final product. I just finished the teacup and it turned out so awesome. And I am so proud. It looks so awesome. So hang out till the end of the video and you can check that out as well. The next project that we're going to do is the container with the lid. So this is going to be very, very similar to the last video. We are going to take this black piece of fabric, cut it into a circle, in and out, needle thread, and then pull it together and glue it in here. Alright, so to be honest with you, I don't feel like looking for any kind of a white fabric pencil, so I'm just going to kind of cut this in a circle as I see fit. It does not have to be perfect as we saw before. And that is a very sad looking circle. So we are going to start by sewing around the outside. And by the way, if you have a sewing machine, you actually could just take a long stitch and sew the long stitch all the way around the outside, and then take one of those stitch ends and pull it. Okay, I'm going to grab some stuffing and we are going to put some stuffing in this and then shove it in there with some hot glue. Alright, so we have our container and our poof. I'm going to go ahead and throw our little poof in the container and glue it in there, and I will show you the final project when we are done. Let's move on to our next piece, which is, I saved the best for last in my opinion. It's this little whale, and we're just going to make a pincushion out of him. We have the fabric that we're going to be using right here, and this is actually a velvet. It's kind of a purpley reddish. I think you can see it on the camera. It's really pretty. I really like the color of it. So what we're going to do is turn it upside down. We're going to draw an oval on it. Oh, also in the comments, please leave which one of these was your favorite. I'm dying to know. Alright, I'm going to finish sewing this up and putting it in here, and then I will show you the reveals of all of the projects that we have made today. Let's check out the first one we did, the teacup with the little saucer. Here it is, all finished. As you can see, I went ahead and glued the black around the outside here, and then some little flowers. And my needle and thread fits in here perfectly. My needles go in nice. Right, next project we did was the container with the lid. There we go. As you can see, we can keep pins in here perfectly and then put the lid on and store them away. I think it is pretty nifty. Here is the whale. And once again, the needles go in very nicely. The piece is stuck in nicely. Alright, so this is number 1 with the purple, number 2 is the whale, and number 3 is the little box with the lid. So place your votes in the comments right now, please. And be sure to subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this, which you know you would. And hit that thumbs up to let me know that you liked the video. That would really help my channel out. And with that being said, my name's Angela. I enjoyed hanging out with you today, and I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day. And I'll see you in the next upload. And how I better see you. Alright, peace out. I'd like to take this moment to bow our heads for a moment of silence. My sewing machine is dead. So, okay, now let's get to hand sewing.